Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add video on Wix website. If you want to add a video to your Wix website, there are multiple ways to do it depending on your goal. You can upload a video directly, embed one from YouTube or Vimeo, or use a video as a background section. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through all the proper methods so you can choose the right one for your website. First, log into your Wix account and open your site in the Wix editor. Once inside the editor, click the Add Elements button on the left-hand side. Then scroll to the Video section. Here, you can choose the videos in the Wix gallery or click on Upload Files if you want to upload external videos. Select Upload from Computer to upload your own videos. Keep in mind that uploading large video files directly can slow down your website. For better performance, Wix often recommends embedding from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo instead of hosting large files on your site. To upload media from Wix, click on the Media from Wix button, select the video you want, and click on Add to Page. Now, your video will be uploaded to the website. You can also upload media from different sources, such as Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Vimeo, or such a URL link. For background videos, keep them short and subtle. Disable sound and enable loop to create a smooth effect. Background videos should enhance the design, not distract visitors. After placing your video, adjust the sizing and layout. Make sure it's aligned properly within your section. You can stretch it to full width or keep it centered depending on your design style. You can also add a cover image to it. Also check mobile settings. Some videos may not autoplay on mobile devices due to browser restrictions. In Mobile View, you may want to replace background videos with static images to improve loading speed and user experience. Finally, click Preview to test how your video loads and plays. Pay attention to buffering speed, autoplay behavior, and responsiveness across screen sizes. By choosing the right method, direct upload, embedded video, or background video, you can add engaging video content to your Wix website without sacrificing performance or usability. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.